Hey my YouTube family, it's your girl Miss Rosa Divine here with another video for you guys. As promised guys, I have an unboxing for you. This is packages from the business that I do guys. I'm a content creator guys, but I also am with a company called Pharmacy guys. So, I'm going to show you what I got, guys. Happy Wednesday, as promised, guys. So, I got these are supplements. They're called the Beauty Collagen. And I got Bone Strain, Calcium, Magnesium. And I got the lip pencil, guys. And I got the matte liquid lipstick, Marriott. You guys can see. And I have my coffee that I drink, guys. It's called the Delish NutriPlus Instant Coffee and Chicory Blend. And I have the electrolyte drink mix, guys. And I ordered a meal replacement shake, guys. Chocolate. And guys, I want to show you this bag that I got with the lip liner. Oh my goodness, guys. This bag is huge. And it's lips, guys. Look. Mwah. You see? And this is the inside, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited, guys. So this is what came in, guys. So that is, oh, I'm missing one more, guys. Oh, yeah, one more. This is the lip gloss Mirror, guys. So this is what I got in this package, guys. So I am a pharmacy rep, guys. So if you want anything, you like anything here that you saw, let me know. And I'd be gladly to help you place your order or help you with color match. So remember I tell you guys that I ordered something from Shein. Well, it's not coming until next week, guys. So be on the lookout for that, guys. But I really wanted to show you guys what I got in my pharmacy package, guys. So this video, guys, will be up. Yesterday, guys, I did get my nails and my toes did, guys. I will insert a picture here in this video to show you guys. So I really like them, guys. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much, my YouTube family, for being patient with me, guys. Sorry guys, I didn't let you guys know or vlog this yesterday. But you know how it goes when you're out in public, whatever. So I hope you guys have a great day, guys. This video will be up today, guys. I love you guys. Bye.